Hello everyone, Dan Gabriel, Jeet, Kune Physiology More, and today is day 4 of lower back pain. So as I mentioned the other day, one key component of lower back pain honestly can be stress because that tension buildup. So no matter what happens in life, we got to stay positive. We got to try to change our frequency to a positive one. Okay, it's been a really rough week for me. This is basically, I'm just going back to work today for this week because of some issues and whatnot. Those of you who follow me on Facebook, you understand why with the post I made yesterday. However, let's get right into the details. So we're going to work more on lower back strengthening. I'm going to show you this exercise. For those of you who do not know what it's called a good morning. Now, before I even demonstrate this exercise, I'm going to tell you, be extremely careful. Focus primarily on technique. It's best to use the weight of a light barbell, or 45-pound barbell. For women, I would use probably a 10 to 15 pound, 20, maybe, unless you feel comfortable, of course. Okay, because this is as the exact way how Bruce Lee screwed up his back, because he put his body weight on a barbell to do good mornings, and he screwed up his back for the rest of his life. Those of you many of you out there may not know this, but it's very true. Honestly, let me get in the position and I'll show you. Okay, I hope we can get a good angle here. So this is this is like a 10-pound bar. This totals out to be like 43 pounds, so just about as much as a standard 45-pound bar that you'd see in most gyms. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring it up behind your head, just like you do in squats, right? Okay, but now the key component on this: feet about hip width apart. Like I said, hip width. Okay, and you want to just slightly, very slightly bend your knees. And what you're gonna do is you look straight ahead. Keep your back straight, and you come down slowly. Right there, you come down. And what this is going to do, slowly, okay? You go to the point about parallel. It's going to look different because I angle my phone, but parallel about right here, and then push up with your lower back, okay? Now, we'll do a few of these, and then I'll explain a little bit more. As you go down, you're going to feel that good stretch in your hamstrings. That's a good thing. You're also going to feel a stretch and a pull in your lower back. One more. Okay, so with that, the reason you feel a stretch or pull in your hamstrings and your lower back is because they are interconnected. If you have tight hamstrings, like I said, mentioned earlier this week, it will affect your lower back. So that's one key component. Okay, so that is going to be doing two things. It's going to stretch out your hamstrings, strengthen them somewhat, but mainly stretch out your hamstrings, get you a good wide open muscle range there, and it's going to strengthen your lower back. So that is very important. So what I would do is I would alternate. Okay, so I would do the bridges, which again, if you don't remember what those are, bridges are like this. Boom, hands here. So I would do those as a warm-up, and then do it in sets. Do set of bridges, set of good morning, set of bridges, set of good mornings. Start off maybe 2 or 3 sets and go from there. So let's stay motivated. Let's get out there. Believe in yourself, believe you can do it, and believe that you deserve it. Let's get out there. Let's go.